Hi everybody, it's great to see the changes here in the apartment in Guadamina. The building works are nearly finished, then we can start with the installations. So let me show you where we're at. So here we go, bit by bit, things are moving. It's, as you can see, it's starting to take shape, all the false ceilings we have here. Let me quickly show you how, from this angle, how it was before. You know, it's quite a big change. We already started with placing the floors. In the lounge, everything now has been plastered. Here we have the cool box false ceiling. It will have LED lighting inside. We're going to have a little office space here right in the middle. Now it was time to start working here in, it's going to be one of the master bedrooms. We're smoothing all the walls here. Obviously we have to do a complete new wardrobe in this case. And in this bathroom we have some really, in my opinion, really cool tile. It's very dark. The combination with the lighter one will look really, really pretty. We can do it from another angle here as well. So there you go. Up to the next update. Speak to you later.